Phoenix English.
Can versus could. Can't versus couldn't. English video lesson number 6. Can and could are used in two different ways in English language. They are used to talk about abilities and possibilities. They are also used to make a request. Let's start with abilities and possibilities. Can is used when talking about abilities, talents, and skills. It is used when talking about the things that you know how to do and the things that are possible for you to do. Let's have some examples. I can swim really fast. This means that you know how to swim fast. In this sentence, you use can because you are talking about the thing that you know how to do, and that is to swim fast. The second sentence is I can come to the party tonight. The sentence means that it's possible for you to come to the party tonight. You use can because you are talking about the possibility of you coming to the party. Can't is used when talking about the things that you don't know how to do and the things that are impossible for you to do. Let's have some examples. I can't dance at all. The sentence means that you don't know how to dance. You used can't because you are talking about the things that you don't know how to do. The second example is I can't go to class tomorrow. This means that it would be impossible for you to go to class tomorrow for some reason, which is why you use can't. Could is used when talking about the things that you know how to do before and the things that are possible for you to do before. For examples, I could run really fast when I was in grade school. The sentence means I know how to run fast before, but not anymore at the present time. The next example is I could learn Mandarin anytime I want to. When I was at school in China, the sentence means that it was possible for me to learn Mandarin anytime when I was at school in China, but not anymore at the present time. Couldn't is used when talking about the things that you don't know how to do before, but now you already know, and the things that are impossible before, but possible now. For examples, I couldn't swim when I was in grade school. This sentence means that when I was in grade school, I didn't know how to swim, but now I already know how to swim. The next sentence is I couldn't learn Mandarin 5 years ago. This means that 5 years ago, it was impossible for me to learn Mandarin, but now it's already possible. Can and could for request. Can is also used to make requests or ask for small favors. For examples, can I borrow your book? Can you open the door, please?
Could is also used to make requests in a more polite manner, or when asking for a big favor. Here are some examples. Could you give me a ride to the airport? Could you lend me some money? Thank you for watching. For more English video lessons, please subscribe to our channel.